Here's a note for your YouTube video on the 2026 Toyota minibus, including a channel introduction and a subscription reminder at the end. Welcome to Motorsports Menia, your go-to channel for in-depth vehicle reviews, specs, and features. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Toyota minibus, a vehicle designed for comfort, efficiency, and practicality. Whether you're looking for a reliable transport solution for commercial use, family travel, or group excursions, this minibus has a lot to offer. Toyota has once again raised the bar with its latest minibus model, ensuring it meets the needs of modern users while maintaining the durability and efficiency the brand is known for. The exterior design of the 2026 Toyota minibus features a sleek, modern aesthetic with a well-defined front grille, improved aerodynamics, and stylish LED headlights. The body structure is both lightweight and sturdy, helping to improve fuel efficiency while maintaining safety. With multiple color options available, buyers can choose a model that best fits their preferences. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota minibus is expected to feature a range of engine options, including a fuel-efficient gasoline variant and an eco-friendly hybrid model. The standard engine is a refined four-cylinder that offers a smooth driving experience while maximizing fuel economy. For those looking for more power, Toyota is also offering a turbocharged variant, providing extra torque for carrying heavier loads. The hybrid model is designed for those prioritizing fuel savings and environmental impact, making it an excellent choice for urban and long-distance travel. Stepping inside, the interior of the 2026 Toyota minibus is spacious and well-designed, offering comfortable seating for passengers along with premium materials used throughout the cabin. The seating arrangement is flexible, with options for different layouts to accommodate various passenger needs. The driver's cockpit is equipped with an advanced digital instrument cluster, a touchscreen infotainment system with navigation, and seamless smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. USB charging ports, climate control, and high-quality speakers add to the overall comfort and convenience of the cabin. Toyota has also focused heavily on safety, integrating advanced features to ensure a secure driving experience. The 2026 Toyota minibus includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. A reinforced chassis and multiple airbags further enhance passenger protection in case of an accident. The addition of a 360-degree camera system makes maneuvering easier, especially in tight spaces. For those concerned about maintenance and reliability, Toyota has ensured that this minibus is built to last, with long service intervals and an efficient after-sales support network. The vehicle is designed to withstand the demands of daily use, making it a smart investment for businesses and transportation services. Fuel efficiency has also been improved compared to previous models, ensuring that running costs remain low. Another highlight of the 2026 Toyota minibus is its smart technology integration. The infotainment system supports wireless connectivity, voice control, and real-time vehicle diagnostics, allowing drivers to monitor essential vehicle functions easily. Some variants also come with an automatic sliding door feature, improving accessibility for passengers. In terms of ride quality, Toyota has worked on enhancing the suspension system to provide a smoother experience on different road conditions. Whether driving on city roads or highways, passengers can enjoy a comfortable ride with minimal vibrations. Sound insulation has also been improved, reducing cabin noise and making long journeys more enjoyable. Pricing for the 2026 Toyota minibus is expected to be competitive, offering great value for money considering the advanced features and reliability that come with it. Toyota is also offering various financing and leasing options, making it easier for businesses and individuals to own this vehicle. With low running costs and a strong resale value, this minibus is a smart choice for those looking for long-term reliability. Overall, the 2026 Toyota minibus is a well-rounded vehicle that caters to different user needs, whether for business, tourism, or daily commuting. Toyota has successfully combined practicality, technology, and efficiency in a way that makes this model stand out in its segment. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Motorsports Mania for more in-depth vehicle reviews and updates on the latest automotive trends. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.